Finding the working coupons for your grocery is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can find the working coupons for your groceries. So for that, you have to open up your browser and type in coupon follow. So I'm just going to search this, and you have to go to this website, which is couponfollow.com, and there you guys go. So here you guys will be able to see all the websites or all the stores which accept coupon. You just need to find the coupon for your store. So suppose if you go to this Target store coupons, and now there you guys can see these are the coupons for your Target store. So if I click on show coupon, as you guys can see, this coupon will give me almost 5% off. So you just have to copy this coupon, or you guys can directly redeem at Target, and you guys can use this coupon to get 5% off. There are a lot of coupons which include 20%, 40% off, but they want you to spend some amount in return, which they gives you some coupons. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can find the working coupons for your groceries. So if you guys find this video helpful,